Hello Divi fans. In this video, I'm going to go over another new feature of Divi 5 that was recently released called Find and Replace. So the way it works is you can find styling applied to things like text modules or backgrounds and other modules and replace all the styling for those similar types of modules. For example, if I want to change the text all for these text modules without having to individually change the color one by one, what you could do is apply a presets for colors, and then apply the presets to these modules. And that is something that was done in another one of our videos about Divi 5. This video is going to go over another way to change all of these modules CSS styling quickly in a similar way. Go into the module settings, design. Now this is a CSS variable. We also have another video on CSS variables and other variables, which I highly recommend checking out. So I'm going to change this to white, and I'm going to right click, find and replace, and I'm going to replace the value with the color. Let's make it green. Find and replace. Let's make it white. Find and replace. Let's change text color also to white. Let's see if I change it to green. And it changes both of them. So if you have a variable applied as a value, then apparently you have to change it one by one. Let's try the find and replace method for these heading texts. Heading 3, heading text. Let's do modified up here. Let's do find and replace. So from Poppins, let's try Roboto. Updated in 19 fields. Let's change the color of this again. So now if I find and replace and change the color, let's see, black, it should change all 4 of them. Replace value. There we go. Let's also do it for the alignment. Find and replace all the text modules that have center alignment, left aligned. Find and replace, and there you go. the text modules left aligned. So let's make this a different color. H3. Let's make it, because the white is hard to see with the background, make it a darker color, maybe a darker red, FF. Let's try AA00. We have another video on colors, which I highly recommend checking out. Let's change all the colors to the same color. FF. There we go. Okay, so that is one example of how the find and replace method can be used to easily change CSS styling across an entire page. Let's change the text here let's first change it to white, then let's make it black. Let's actually make it black, so white. There we go. Now let's find and replace and make everything black. That's the heading 4, that's why it didn't change. Let's do heading 4, make this white. Now let's change both of them to black. There we go. Save draft. Okay, that is the end of the video. Remember to like the video, leave comments below the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Every time Elegant Themes releases a new feature to Divi 5, there will likely be another video like this. So make sure to subscribe.